It's about 8 o'clock up here in Georgetown. Just came and picked up my buddy Brandon. What do you feel like doing today?
Well, it's about 8 a.m. I say we go bar hopping.
Bar hopping, I like it. Let's do it. Well, Brandon, I just talked to my buddy Zach. He said he's at a nice bar up here.
All right. What are they serving?
I think it's like sex on the beach. Drinks like that.
Yeah. Little sand and tequila.
Yep. Disclaimer, we're obviously not drinking and flying.
Oh yeah.
Okay, he's probably right around that bend.
I can see straight ahead.
Oh, there he is.
So you're saying land in front of you, but to the right of the tree?
I mean, I'm basically at the end of what I call my strip, but you're going to be to the left of my plane and to the right of that tree bush.
Roger.
I got you now. Yeah, just aim for my plane and then land to the left of it and then go in between my plane and that bush. And you got, 1,000 feet.
Roger.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's a little soft.
That tail wheel's just buried.
Yeah, I figured as much.
Woo!
That was sketchy.
What happened there?
I'm just like really soft and sinking into the sand.
Alright, I'm turning final. I'll tell you when to go. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Come back quarter to your left. Pretty good distance.
Now, look down at the river. You see the fence with the white posts?
Yep.
Fence with the posts right there.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's a pretty sweet spot because of what's at the end right here, all these rocks and this river.
Yeah, that's pretty.
This is a cool bend, but to me there's too many structures, and there's another fence just under my left wing.
Yeah, I see the fence down here.
See. Yeah. At least they put white posts, so it's easier to see.
Yeah.
Your buddy just got a free skin exfoliation.
Yep, you should have known not to walk behind the plane.
That's $25 right there.
Yeah, definitely made use of these shocks on that landing.
Yeah, it was a little long. Were you a little hot?
A little bit, but man, I was getting bumped around quite a bit.
Yeah, it's getting warmer. A little bit of a wind. It looked all right.
Yeah, I'm definitely having trouble getting off the ground.
Yeah. No big deal except for a bunch of rocks.
Yeah. Yeah, up here it performs great.
Hey, Zach, you up?
Yeah, I saw him take off.
I saw him take off, I don't know why he's not talking to us. He'll catch up to us quickly. Well, that's fun, hopping around to a couple bars. What do you think? You want to hit one more?
Yeah, I'm getting a little nervous. The hotter it gets, the more I want to puke. But
That is definitely a challenge in the Texas heat.
Yeah.
Well, we got out nice and early this morning, but yeah, it's definitely getting hotter, getting bumpier, and it's a good little jaunt back to Georgetown, so definitely don't want you testing out the blue bags.
I will say this is definitely a neat, different experience. I've really enjoyed it. It's been cool.
Thanks, man. Yeah, this has been a lot of fun. It's very different, obviously, than flying the Cirrus.
Yeah.
You've flown with me in the Cirrus several times, and this is just a completely different experience.
Yeah. Just flying so low, flying through cane.
Yep.
Been pretty awesome.
Well, we're going to go check out one more close to Kingsland, see if we can land, and we might be able to jump in the water over there. There's the Llano River runs right through there, and we're basically landing on a sandbar in the Llano River, so let's see if we can land there and go cool off a little bit.
If you go slow, I'll put on a inner tube and just jump off.
Perfect. So that'll be our last one for the day. We'll do a low pass and make sure it's nice and long.
Yeah.
Because it is definitely getting hot today, so the density altitude makes it harder to take off. The engine doesn't have quite as good a performance.
So the heat makes it like we're at a higher altitude, is that?
Right, yeah, it affects what's called the density altitude. So today, I haven't been close to another airport. Usually the airports will announce what the density altitude is. If I had to guess, it's probably 3,500, 4,000, maybe even 4,500 today, just because of the heat. So that basically means the engine performs like we are flying at 3,000 or 4,000 feet.
Got it.
Where the hell's he at?
Oh, I don't see him.
Look back on your right and see if you see him.
I see a shadow.
Yeah, I do the same thing. So he must be above us.
Oh, now I see him.
You do?
Yeah.
Alright, well, I'm going to make a right turn, so I don't know what he's going to do.
Hey, Zach, can you hear me?
So, how close is he?
He's about 100 feet or 200 feet above us to
Alright, well, I'm going to turn this way then. I wish I could talk to Zach. I don't know why he's not on the radio.
Yeah.
But we'll just see how stable it feels. Really cool rock formations right here.
Yeah. So you're flying us at this open area?
Yeah. And ideally, we touch down right on the other side of the green. We'll see. Actually feels pretty good. We'll go ahead and do it.
Okay. A little upslope.
Yep. That'll help us slow down. Oh yeah.
That's good.
Nice. Nice and smooth.
Yeah.
And like I thought, this is a little bit firmer.
Wow.
Oh, landed right next to us.
Right. Boy, he shut it down quick.
Well, maybe I got all that on the GoPro. Well, guys, that was a fun day. I flew up to Georgetown and picked up my buddy Branndon, who does the high pointers. And we flew out to Sandy Creek and met up with my buddy Zach and his Skywagon. And did a little bar hopping. Went around to various sandbars that I hadn't landed on before. And checked them out. And it was a lot of fun. Now I'm heading back to Spicewood. It's getting late in the afternoon, and here in Texas it gets pretty bumpy. It's pretty hot and bumpy in the afternoon, so it's a good thing I dropped Branndon off because he doesn't like to get airsick. But I'm heading back to Spicewood and calling it a day. See y'all on the next one.